Alright, Arizona Trail, day 25, Southbound 2024. This was my tent site. Worked out well. Another cold night. Got a little bit of condensation. Seems to be the same thing pretty much every night. What time is it? I think it's like 7:15. Yeah, 7:15. About ready to go here. No one else was here. We're in this really narrow canyon, but I think we're climbing out pretty quickly. Trail goes over there and up. The elevation profile is kind of weird for today. It was like a giant bowl, so we're gonna climb up out of here, and then we'll be going down the bowl, and then the last part of the day we'll be climbing up out of it. So should be interesting. Water sources were kind of iffy based on the comments. A lot of them just didn't have comments for this season. So anyway, there's water at miles 5, 12, and like 21 or 22. So I've only been doing like 20-mile days. 22, it's a little bit of a stretch, but I could do it. It's not physically so much as daylight. So that's about it. Yeah, I think that's really about all I could tell you. This is Sheep Creek Junction 88, which goes towards the right back over there, and also to the left. So, okay. Arizona Trail southbound. I'm ready to go, so let's hit it. All right, leaving again. It's got to start getting easier sometime. From what I can tell, that is Arrowhead Mountain. Not 100% certain of that. All right, moving on. And there's the highway. There's a better look at the highway. I think left or right, it's going northeast. Should be. And we're going south. Looks like a Bonnie and Clyde shootout. All right, moving on. So far, just making our way up, following. There's a stream bed over here to our right. We're just paralleling that. Still got about 7 miles and 2,400 feet of climbing to do to get to the Little Pine Flats where there is water. And if we don't get there, like I said, I have 3+ liters of water. So, all right, moving on. Okay, we followed, or we hiked up this entire valley, way off in the distance, and then to the right. And then we came up here. Somewhere down there, we we turned and we hiked all the way around and up. So it still says we got 800 feet of climbing. It looks like we're cutting through. Maybe there must be more somewhere. 2.5 miles, and we got, well, it's basically 3 o'clock, 2:54. So hopefully we can get there by 4. That would be nice. So, all right, continuing onward. Okay, I just crested a ridge, and I can see Roosevelt Lake. See it off there in the distance? All right. It's a beautiful sight. Now we just gotta figure out where we're going. I think we just crested this, and now we go down. Let me do this. We go down, and then we have to go up again. So it's kind of weird. The water's at the very top of the climb, so I might have to go down after grabbing water. We'll see. Okay, I'm struggling up this Jeep road, but took a break, and look at this. Much better view of Roosevelt Lake. It's hard to believe that's still 30 miles away. Maybe we're going on the far right-hand side. We'll see. Pretty nice view. What time is it? Yeah, it's 3:43. I'm still climbing. I got 1.2 miles up this steep Jeep road, but I think I'm getting there. So, took a break, filtered some water. So, all right, heading up. Okay, this is the top. Jeep road cuts over the ridge, and down the other side, we got 300 feet down. And we're at the top. Woohoo! 9 miles and 2,700 feet of climbing. And it's over. Let's head down. Okay, this is my little site for tonight. I just got my dinner cold soaking right there. Anyway, thanks to Heather and Wade again for another turkey pepperoni. So that's chilling. I gotta put up my shelter. There's not a whole lot of room here. I think there's just enough. Other than that, today I would say one of the most enjoyable weather days. Yeah. It was cold overnight. It was below freezing, but it warmed up pretty quickly. At one point, my thermometer said 80 degrees. I don't know if that was accurate. It gets a little inaccurate when the sun's just beating down on it, but I enjoyed it. It was kind of the weather I came out here to hike in. So, I think that's about it for now. I gotta get my shelter set up, then I'll eat dinner, then I'll go to bed, and then we got another 20-mile day tomorrow. And then we kind of limp into Roosevelt Lake Marina. And we're under halfway to go. Under halfway. Very cool. All right, that's it for now. Good night.